to 61054, but be quick and good luck.
Right, time to pick something to watch on TV tonight. The Pressure. You've got to name it. But there's so many shows in so many places. Choosing takes so much.
In Cumbria. See over 1,000 animals, including tigers, lions, zebras, monkeys, kangaroos, and loads more. You can even hand feed a giraffe and meet their adorable baby rhino and honey badgers. Save over 50% with passes starting from just £7.
Offers subject to limited availability. For this and loads of other great offers, go to planetoffers.co.uk.
I was at my appointment with the doctor and she said, "How are you?" But I don't feel fine. I'm scared of the dry lips and the sickness, and that once again I'll feel too tired to even walk upstairs to kiss the kids goodnight, let alone be intimate with my husband. You can't really say that to a doctor, can you?
At Breast Cancer Now, we're here researching gentler treatments. Want to talk more openly about breast cancer? Search Breast Cancer Now, the research and support charity.
Like to save on Aldi's fresh fruit and veg. Piccolo tomatoes now just £1.29. Asparagus tips now just 99p. Mini bananas, garlic and chestnut mushrooms now just 69p each. And mango now just 59p. Aldi.